The Ukrainian counteroffensive has begun. It has only been a day that the Ukrainian sources claimed that they had recaptured 3 villages in Donetsk from the Russian forces. Russia today reportedly launched a massive missile attack on the central Ukrainian city of Kryvyi Rih. A multi-story residential building was among the civilian infrastructure hit in the early morning attack on Tuesday, said Serhiy Lysak, governor of Dnipropetrovsk region, where Kryvyi Rih is located. The attack has killed 3 people and has wounded 25 others, besides destroying the civilian infrastructure. City Mayor Alexander Vilkul said that at least 7 people were believed to be trapped under the rubble without providing more details. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky, who was born in Kryvyi Rih, also condemned the attack on his hometown. Referring to the Russian attackers as killers, Zelensky accused them of carrying out war against the residential buildings and ordinary citizens of Ukraine. The capital Kyiv also came under missile and drone attack early on Tuesday morning, but air defense systems destroyed all the objects heading towards the city, military officials said. According to initial reports, the enemy used Kh-101-555 cruise missiles, Kyiv City Military Administration said. During the early hours of Tuesday, air raid sirens blared across the whole of Ukraine, with Kyiv's military officials saying that air defense forces destroyed all Russian missiles targeting the Ukrainian capital. Ukraine's top military command said that air forces destroyed 10 out of 14 cruise missiles Russia launched on Ukraine and 1 of the 4 Iranian-made drones. It was not immediately clear how many missiles hit Kryvyi Rih and where the Russian-launched drones struck their targets. There was no immediate comment from Russia about the reported strikes. Both Russia and Ukraine deny targeting civilians in the war, which Russia launched on its neighbor nearly 16 months ago. The latest wave of air attacks comes as Ukraine claimed to have retaken several villages and made advances in its counter-offensive against the Russian forces.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.